These affirmations are designed to help bring your mind and body into an alignment that is conducive to preparing your body to conceive new life. I'm Dr. Natalie Masson, and I've designed these affirmations to be listened to during the first week of your monthly cycle. There are other affirmation sets for each of the other 3 weeks of your cycle. Subscribe to this Fertility from the Soul channel to be notified of new meditations and tools for supporting optimal fertility. As you listen to each statement, breathe in the words, inviting them to flow deeply into your body. If a particular notion doesn't fit for you for any reason, just let it float by. Allow images to be vibrant in your mind. Let yourself feel the energy of each notion flowing through your body. You can benefit from listening to this while doing other things, but you will likely get the most benefit if you find a quiet place to relax and give the experience your full attention. Let's begin. I am whole, I am vibrant, and I am fertile. My womb is releasing its lining to create a clear space for new growth of a new healthy lining, which may become my baby's nurturing home. As the old lining is released, any feelings of sadness and loss about this ending are also released, leaving room for new possibilities for all that lies ahead. Many eggs are growing and ripening as my hormones are preparing to release one ideal healthy egg for its wondrous journey. My ripening eggs have beautifully aligned chromosomes prepared to divide in perfect symmetry. I breathe expansive, calming breaths into my body. I feed myself nourishing food to support new growth. I can feel a softening throughout my belly as I invite slow, gentle, soft breaths to massage my womb. I enjoy being physically active and moving my body, stimulating circulation that supports my body's capacity to create new life. I invite love and grace with every step of my day. I feel deep love and appreciation for my close family and friends. I nourish those around me, and I nourish myself. I am inviting this baby into our lives. I will welcome this baby from a place deep in my heart and my soul. I trust that my body is so wise, and by supporting all my body's needs, I'm helping it find its way to creating new life. Negative energy or doubts about my fertility are not relevant at this time, and I can find ways to usher away negativity so that I can rest in a space of joy and ease. I feel light and graceful. I live from a place of lightness and openness in my heart. Each day brings me a sense of new hope and possibilities for what lies ahead.